Hello, my name is Neil Trevett and I am Vice President at NVIDIA and the President of the Khronos Group. And I'm talking to you today because we're going to be making a presentation on the new Vulkan graphics API at the CEDEC conference in Yokohama on August 25th at 10 a.m. I'm going to be joined by Samsung, who are helping to bring Vulkan onto Android, and by DMP, who are based in Japan. It's going to be an introductory session to the new Vulkan API, so you can understand how and why it was designed, and whether this API can be useful for your business as you create new high-performance games and virtual reality experiences. As Vulkan is an international open standard, it's available on many different platforms, including Windows 7 through 10, Android, Linux, Tizen. So we hope it'll be of great value to your company. So if you're going to be at CEDEC, please come to our session and we look forward to meeting you there. Thank you very much.